Basic things without any equipment that I like to do is doing our push-ups. Okay, push-ups, great workout for your chest, great workout for your arms, really good workout for your triceps too if you're doing it properly. What we don't want to work on too much is wide elbow push-ups. I see this all the time in the gym. So we're gonna start by getting in our basic push-up position. Now remember, if you're a beginner and you're not used to doing push-ups, it could be kind of a problem. So it's okay. We're going to start by on our knees right there, and we'll get used to the position from on our knees. We can do the knee push-ups. But for those of us that are a little bit better at push-ups, we start going with the regular push-ups. Our feet are together, our feet are a little about shoulder width apart. And then obviously when we get more advanced, we can put them on a platform, keeping our legs raised so that we're coming down more on our chest. Right. Proper positioning for the arms is also very important. And I'm going to roll my sleeves again so you can exactly see which muscles are working in the arms as we do it. Now it's always working your chest, but the way people do it, I see a lot of times at gym, is they're wide and their hands are out wider, they're in front of their shoulders, and they're coming down like this. High butt push-ups, they're not really working much of the arms, they're bending the elbows out. That's wrong. That's not the proper way to do a push-up. It's not good if you kids in turn end up hurting your rotator cuffs or your shoulders as you're coming down with all that weight on it. So the proper way to do the push-up is you always want to make sure that both hands are directly underneath your shoulders, right? So I start by lining up, both my hands are underneath my shoulders, and as I come down, I don't let my elbows fold out. I let them fold against my body, forcing my triceps to work, forcing my biceps to work. My chest is down low to the floor. My feet, again, they're about shoulder width apart. My butt is not all the way up, it's straight, my back is straight. I'm gonna hold it down, and I come up. I push it down, I push it up. I come down, I push up. So you want to get it to about where your chest almost touches the floor, right above the floor and up. Above the floor and up. That's the proper way to start doing it. That'll start working on the inside of your chest while it's also working on the inside of your arms. While it's also working on your arms. So like I said, I see a lot of people, they start with their elbows out wide, not proper. If you have trouble keeping both feet together while you're doing them, you can start, like I said, from your knees, and it's the same way. You're still focusing on it. Get your shoulders above your hands, your shoulders above your hands. Come down. Elbows fold against the body. Arms fold against the body. Back up. Down, up, down, up. There's no reason that your arms should be opening up. Your arms should not open up that way. That's not good for your arm, for your biceps, your triceps. You want to work every muscle that you can. So keep your body in close. Rub them up against your body.